Hi guys, I'm Stacy and I'm going to show you how to track in MyFitnessPal to hit your macronutrients. Okay, so let's do it. Today I'm going to have shrimp, and then I got these vegetables from Aldi. They're super awesome, and I'm going to show you how to track.
Needs food. Oh my gosh. Okay, babe.
I got this shrimp from Aldi, and seriously, look at this. 50% off, and it's only $8.60, so technically it was like $4.30. Yes. So anyways, so what we're going to do is we are going to make sure that we see our fat, carb, and protein, okay? And then our serving size is either 4 ounces or 113 grams. I always just like to use grams because that's what I use for. So then I'm not always constantly like switching my food scale from ounces to grams. Here I'm going to show you how to create a food. So I'm going to show you how to put the shrimp in. So you go to My Foods, you put in the description, and then I am going to use serving size 113 grams, and then servings per container, you just put 1. You don't have to put how many servings are actually per container. And then you put your calories in, you make sure you put your fat grams in, and then you make sure you put your carbs and then your protein. I always press no thanks because I really don't care about the other small details when adding a food in. First, you want to make sure that it is zeroed out, so you press 0, and then I'm on grams. I measured 300 grams, so now I'm going to add it in MyFitnessPal. So I'm going to search the Asian medley, and I'm going to make sure the serving size has 1, and then I'm going to use the decimal and change it to 300. Okay, so since I'm about to put the shrimp in, I want to zero it out again. So Z is zeroed out, and I'm just going to dump the shrimp into that bowl. Okay, so I dumped the shrimp into the bowl, and now I have to measure out 239 grams in MyFitnessPal. So again, I'll search it. I'm going to do the raw shrimp, change the serving size to 1, and make sure that I put in the number of servings that I just weighed out. My 239 grams of shrimp, and I did my Asian medley. So now I'm going to see if I want any sauces to add on it. Honestly, I'm probably just going to put some seasoning. So I'm probably just going to put this butter garlic seasoning on it, and I really don't have to track it because it is 0 everything. And when you track like the little things, it's starting to become obsessive. So I'm just going to put a little bit of seasonings, and I'm going to eat my food. Voila, cooked perfection. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat this. First bite. These shrimp are amazing. Let's see. Follow me for more, and let's do it. And check out Cook. What are you doing on here, Cook?